Hi, this video is just just to give you a quick tip on how to split data randomly by percentage. To show you how this works, I've got some data here. It's just 50 records with various people of different ages. And what I'm trying to achieve is splitting these 50 records into sort of random buckets. And to do this, I'm going to use the split module. First of all, I'm going to show you sort of a more traditional use of the split module. So let's say I want under 25s in one bucket. I can say age is less than 25. And then if in another bucket I want over 25, I can say age is greater than 25. Okay, so there we can see the split module has divided the data into those two sets, which is great. Now, one little known feature of the split module is that if I just delete these expressions that I've already created, one little known feature is that you can actually enter percentages directly into this expression column. So if I want half the records, it's really simple. I just type in 50% there, and Loadit will automatically select 50% of the input records and put them into that half bucket there. So you'll see there's various records randomly selected there. Similarly, I might add first quarter, type 25% there to get another random 25%, and then just to make it all add up, I might type in second quarter and assign that the expression of 25%. So you can see there that I should end up with 3 buckets, each with a set of data randomly selected in each. Hope that's useful. Thanks very much.